Good morning, viewers. Uh, I received this phone from customer, and he said this is Samsung Galaxy A02s. The customer complained that when he received call, when somebody call him, it does not ring out. So we hardly know if he actually have call, you know. That if eventually he may see the call, then when he pick the call, he will not hear the caller. I don't know if you are hearing me. So when you see the call, you will not hear from the caller. Like you will not hear from the caller. So, but he said when he goes to Facebook, he can hear play. I mean, he can play music on YouTube, but when call comes in, it doesn't ring out. So I suspect. First of all, before I open this one, I need to go settings and know where is the problem. And I need to check the phone before opening the phone. For that sound not ringing, I need to know if he has problem in the settings. So first of all, I need to go to settings. Go to settings. Go to settings. Then click on sound and vibration. You click on sound and vibration. Then next you click on volume. Click on volume. Now you see, you can see that the volume is down, like it's not going to ring. Now it's up, but if you look at this two down, you will see that these two sign, this notification and system, they are off and it's not movable. It's not possible to move. So it means that something is on. And when you see a thing like this, you go to you still go to be in setting. You go to do not disturb. Okay, you see, do not disturb is turned on. You see, do not disturb. Do not disturb is turned on, and when do not disturb is turned on, you may likely have that problem. So what I will do now, I have to go back. I have to go back. I have to go back to settings from the beginning. I have to look for do not disturb. It's under notification. It's under notification. When you click on it, this page pop up. Then you see do not disturb. You click on do not disturb. Now I have clicked on do not disturb. Then you see it's on, right? You have to put it off. You see now it's off. Now that do not disturb is off, if you have call, it cannot call me. Okay, now let me call this number. Do I? Okay, now let me search for the number through the let's search for the number. This is Leica star 132 hash. I have to check for any Leica number. Okay, here is the number. Let me call this number and see if it will not ring. 25. Now I'm calling this phone. Now it's ringing. Okay, now it's ringing. So I have to pick it. Hello? I can hear. Hello? I still cannot hear. But now it's ringing. So I need to open the phone to check why the phone is not, why I can't hear the caller. Arrivo subito. We're about to close today, Saturday's half day. So no. Arrivo subito. Andrea. Oh. Metti luce, per favore. Metti luce, per favore. Arrivo subito, per favore. So let me quickly see why this one is not, the earpiece is not working. This is how I need to know this one is not working. Da 2 minuti. So guys, you can look at it. Let's see why it's not ringing. Someone has tampered with this phone. Look at it. Someone has tampered with this phone. He placed it wrongly. The earpiece is placed wrongly. So the earpiece is placed wrongly. Okay, so what I'll do now, the customer has taken the phone to someone else before. So now, so what I'll do now, I have to correct the position for it to work. So I'm a bit in a hurry because it's already 1 p.m. We're about to go. Ok. Tá aqui dentro. Ok. Tu ancora non finito tutto e tu chiudi l'uscio, Giulio e Andrea. Lo sto, ma tu ancora non finito con casa. Che chiudi l'uscio? Ok, allora subito 2 minuti mancano. 2 minuti, ok. Now I have correct. I have placed the earpiece that the person who fixed it before. I don't know how he got his own skill. So he fixed it wrong before. Now I think I'm done because I'm very sure that everything will work at the end of the day. Alright guys, thank you. You can see that earpiece was not placed right. I've placed it right now and I'm sure everything is perfect working and you can see it's ringing. So thank you for listening. God bless you. Share, like and subscribe. Thank you.